This is Series 2, Episode 25. Today is the 3rd of December 2022. In this video I'm going to be talking about one particular stock, and that is Peloton Interactive, ticker symbol PTON. Here is my disclaimer. Everything I talk about in this video is for informational purposes only. If you decide to take action upon that information, that is your decision. You are responsible for all of your trading decisions. Now, I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but I think we're in a confirmed uptrend. I'm seeing price action and volume across all major indices in the US confirming an uptrend. Now, how long that uptrend lasts, I don't know, but I can only tell you what I'm seeing. So, a confirmed uptrend, at least for now. And yeah, I'm looking for trading ideas. I came across Peloton. Now, this is where we used to be. We have this nasty sell-off and we're down here. So a lot of people would have been caught out on this, buying this during the pandemic. I'm sure lots of people got caught out here. But anyway, it is what it is. Peloton got sold off, but now I'm seeing something interesting. Now, you will not be able to see it on this chart. This is just to show you where price was and where it is now. But now I'm going to go down into the daily chart, as I always do, and talk about what I'm seeing in real time. My regular subscribers will know what I'm talking about when I talk about a cup with handle pattern. For those that are new to the channel, there is a very powerful price pattern, and it's called a cup of handle, and it looks like this. You get a cup base like this, and then the handle forms like that. And they're very, very powerful, and you look for breakouts above the handle point. There. Now, can you see it on this chart, guys? I can see it, but my eyes are trained to see it. I can see a very nice cup of handle. I'm going to remove that there, and this is what I see. You see this, take this high point here and draw a basing pattern in. So like I said, I'm doing this in real time with a mouse. There is your base, and then a handle forms. Very nice looking cup and handle. Now, to really validate cup of handles, I'm not going to go in massive detail, but I will try and explain the basics. You want to see, as price sells off, you want to see high volume so that you can see there's lots of selling. That's what we have here, with lots of volume here. And then as the base is forming, you want to see volume increasing, just not massive amounts, but you can see people buying this stock. Let's get rid of this nonsense here. You can see people are buying this stock. Look at the volume down here. Compare it to over here where the volume is lower. You can see it's quite clear the volume's higher than normal along this in October, and that is at the same time we're building this basing pattern. So then what you want to see to validate this, as price moves up the right hand side, you want to see volume increasing like spikes like this one. You see, as the volume spike, price is increasing as it goes up the right hand side, and then you want to see a bit of a breather and price start dropping. But as price drops, as it does here, you want to see the volume decrease. It's important because that shows you that although the price is dropping, it's not happening with the institutional investors. It's not big selling going on. Look down here, guys. Look at the volume down there. It's low. The price drops on low volume. That I wish I got to this sooner, because that is a classic sign of a lovely cup of handle breakout coming up. So forms this handle. Now you can often take an early entry on the break of this kind of trend line, but that's not how you're supposed to trade a cup of handle. That would be an aggressive entry there. But the true entry for a cup of handle breakout is here across there, because this is your handle. So cup is your handle that's formed, and this is your breakout point. You want to see price break out above that point there. And ideally, to be a true cup of handle breakout, you want to see price breaking out on high volume. Look down here. Volume spike as price breaks out. This is to me, I'm pretty sure this is a valid, well, to me, I'm definitely saying this is a cup of handle breakout pattern, and it looks very, very strong. Now, does it mean it's just going to go break off to the races? No, because look, ahead. So I'm going to explain my thought process. We have this is where the high point was formed in the past. Now we can expect, no guarantees, but we can expect price to try to make its way up to this resistance point, around $15 I would say, and it's probably going to stall. Doesn't mean it will. So this is what I'm going to try and do personally, and if you want to follow me, that's up to you. I'm not going to jump in now because it's too late. I've missed it. You could. It's gone past the breakout in really quickly as well. Look, 13% increase in one day. So this looks too dangerous. It looks too overextended for me. I want to wait and see. I want price back down here as a bare minimum. As close to 10 as possible, ideally. Close to $10 as possible, and I will be taking this trade. Why? Because I can limit my risk. My stop loss can be, you see this point here? So price comes down, forms this low. That's the low of the handle. There's your handle. This is the low point. So when I get my stop loss just below it, say there, that's my risk. I know what I'm going to risk before I get into the trade. If it goes there, I know it's highly likely that it's probably not going to work out. Now what I often do in previous videos is I put my stop loss down here. But it means you've got to adjust your risk management. I put it there because this is your base and you're below the base. You're out of the way. If the market decides to go down there, then you're definitely in trouble. So it's up to you how you trade it, but the true way most people will trade this is to put your stop loss down here. I often put them totally out of the way of the base because I know how traders operate. So there it is. It's a couple handle breakout, Peloton, along with what appears to be a market rally at the moment, confirmed uptrend. This is one of many stocks I'm seeing, but this was the most nice looking setup I could find to demonstrate to you, and especially for my new subscribers who can learn more about couple handle breakouts. So there it is, guys. I hope I explained that okay. If not, please ask questions. I'm not perfect at this, but I'm hoping it's helpful. If you like what I'm doing, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll speak to you in another video soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.